What is going on, everybody? It's Friday. That means we are going to talk about specialty set, regular ETBs, hidden fates, all the way up to Prismatic Evolutions. And before we get into that, we should look at some of these Sword and Shield boxes because they're continuing to climb, a couple of them. Battle Styles, not one of them, but it is close to $200 at this point. Next up, Chilling Reign. This box is continuing to climb. We're seeing it hit $400 on recent sales here, TCG Player. Evolving Skies, we had a sale today as well at $16.60, so keep an eye on Evolving Skies. Fusion Strike, I mean, this one's just long gone at this point, $740, $730. Constant sales over $700 though. Brilliant Stars, I mean, when people talk about Brilliant Stars at this point, it's music to my ears with my heavy bags of Brilliant Stars. Most recent sales, $468 on TCG Player, $440 before that, $430, $400. So will it stay around 468, 470 range? Probably not. Maybe it retraces a little bit into the mid 400s, but honestly, even $400 I think is a massive move up from where it was. So that's great. I love to see that. Astral Radiance, same sort of deal. There wasn't a ton of supply on the secondary market. Sales up to $400 on TCG Player. I don't know if the secondary market, like eBay, is following suit. Maybe it's a little bit behind. I haven't really checked yet, but there are confirmed sales on TCG Player for that. Lost Origin, there was a decent supply of this box out there, but it's up to $500 confirmed sales on TCG Player. You have a lot of sales in that $450, $460 range as well. And then Silver Tempest, not too much going on here, up to $315-ish range. Couple sales up to around this $330 point as well, some around $300 still. So it's in that range of like $300 to $330, maybe you want to call it $310, whatever. And it's crazy to me that we're still a week out from Mayhem, because I think when that TCG Player 10% back sale goes on, there's going to be a lot of boxes selling, and some of these price moves are going to be very interesting. Now, speaking of interesting, we are going to look at these specialty sets because there are a couple cool things going on this week. If you guys are in the spreadsheet, you can see all the data. Again, I want to be respectful to people that already have access, but I'll show you guys a couple things if you aren't in there already. Champion's Path, up to $130.01, and 20% leg up would be $156.01. There's 299 ETBs listed below this price point, selling at 2.86 per day. That's about 104.55 days of remaining inventory. So Champion's Path, I think, is still going to be dead money for a while. I know it's climbing here. But this thing isn't going to take off into the like 150s, 160s anytime soon, I don't believe. Shining Fates, 78.20 this week, down a couple dollars, I believe. 93.84 would be a 20% leg up. 340 boxes, that's a lot of boxes. Selling at 8.29 per day though, so a decent sell-through rate on Shining Fates. That's about 41 days of inventory. Not terrible, but kind of a little bit on the high end. I wouldn't expect Shining Fates to be making a move anytime soon either. And the final one I'll show you guys, Paldean Fates, up slightly to $140.02. 20% leg up would be $168.02. There's 209 boxes listed below this price point here, selling at 2.43 per day over the past week. That is down from last week, so there's 86 days of remaining inventory there. And one thing, I did make a note of this in the spreadsheet for anyone that's in there, you can go look. I think Paldean Fates could potentially overnight jump to like 160, 165, depending on what happens on the secondary market. Now, I don't think it's actually going to happen, but all it would take is one or two sellers on eBay to change their current strategy, I guess you could say, when it comes to Paldean Fates, for that box to creep up that fast. And if you guys are in the spreadsheet, you can go look at my note. Explains it in detail, but I don't think anything's going to happen. That's why I don't want to go too in depth on it, because I don't think it's super relevant. But just note, like, if Paldean Fates overnight jumps to like 155, 160, it wouldn't be surprising. And everything else on this list, Celebrations, Pokemon Go, Crown Zenith, a few of these were up, a couple of them were down, like Shrouded Fable, 151 was down slightly. There weren't any crazy things going on this week. A couple things that maybe you should note in terms of supply, and to keep an eye out for a couple of these boxes. For example, I wouldn't be surprised if Shrouded Fable starts to make a move into the $60-ish range over the next like 3 to 4 weeks, a month or two. Crown Zenith, I think, is continuing to climb, and I would not be surprised if we see this hit 150, 160 in the near term. But the delusional take I want to give you guys in this video is about Prismatic Evolutions, and I promise you it's not going to be as delusional as suggesting Fusion Strike over the next couple months is going to overtake Evolving Skies and be the most expensive booster box in the Sword and Shield era. I'm not that delusional, guys. And maybe it's because I'm just a poor Timmy and I'm not actually rich, but Prismatic Evolutions down to around $110 in ETB. And if you're in the spreadsheet and you're looking at the data, you'll understand. I actually looked at it the first time and I had to go back through. I took another 35 minutes and I recounted everything for Prismatic because I genuinely could not believe the numbers I was looking at in terms of the sell-through rate. And guys, I'll just say this right now. I think Prismatic Evolutions ETBs are not going to stay in the 105, 110 range for long. I think just based on the sell-through rate on the secondary market, these are going to be back to like $120 soon. And I think anyone dumping these at $100, $105, you must have bills to pay because you would be stupid to be dumping these at this price currently. And it's not just regular ETBs. If you go look at the PCTBs as well on eBay, there are lots of PC ETBs selling in this like 230, 240 range, some as low as probably like $200, 215, but they are selling very consistently. And I don't think the PC versions either are going to stay in this like 240, 250 range for long. I think we're going to see these eventually rebound. Obviously, we got more supply from Pokemon Center like a couple weeks ago, a month ago at this point. So it makes sense it is down, but these are going to rebound for sure. I have full confidence in that. People really forget just how good of a set Prismatic Evolutions is. Like, we have not seen a set this good since Evolving Skies. And even if you want to say that Evolving Skies is better, that's great. Like, you can say that. But Prismatic is right there in the conversation. The God Pack, the Demigod Pack, like the value you can get out of a God Pack is going to make people open this for decades at this point. Like, people in the future are going to be opening Prismatic for a long, long time. They're not just going to want to chase the Umbreon, they're going to want to chase the Sylveon, the Leafeon, all the Evolutions, God Pack, Demigod Pack, whatever it is. There will be people opening it. And the fact that these are cheaper right now than Paldean Fates, do I even have, the ETB here. Like the fact this is $140 and a regular Prismatic ETB is $110. I know what I'd be picking up just based on looking at the data on the secondary market. I understand Paldean Fates is like a year older. So, it's going to go out of print before Prismatic more than likely. And also, it's less likely to get reprinted because Pokemon maybe is just not going to focus on it with Prismatic and Surging, all these new sets coming out. But I would still be picking Prismatic at current prices. It's just, the set is just so deep. There's so many amazing chase cards in it. The value you can get out of a pack is just unmatched compared to any other set in the era. So that's just my opinion based on what I'm seeing on the secondary market. But again, I am just a broke Timmy. I'm delusional. So take everything I say with a grain of salt. You guys let me know in the comments down below what you think. Are you buying Prismatic Evolutions right now? I think I'm actually going to be buying another case today. I'm going to get on Shopify and try and find a decent deal in Canada because there are a couple stores that are selling these at like 160 Canadian, which I think is just way, way too cheap. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Stay safe wherever you are in the world. Have a great weekend, and I'll catch you in the next one.